Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. In this video you're going to learn how to do your bachata basics. I'm going to teach you 5 elements that will make your foundation strong and will facilitate the rest of the process. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so now we're gonna get to the explanation, and before we get to anything, I wanna make sure you guys understand one thing. For bachata, we need to relax our knees, so make sure your knees are relaxed, not locked, okay? Now, that being said, we're gonna start explaining element number 1, which is the basic, side basic. We go starting with the left leg because we're gonna do the leaders steps first. We're gonna go to the side, we take 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, and then we do tap. Now we go to the other side, step, 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 tap. Okay, what is the difference between a step and a tap? When you do a step, you put the weight down, yes, and when you do a tap, you just touch the floor with your toes, all right? That being said, we're gonna try it one more time. Going to the left, we go 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. All right, now I'm going to explain the follower side, starting with the right, and I'm going to turn around so you guys can see that. We're here, starting with the right leg, we go 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. Number 2, basic in place. Remember to relax your knees. Now, we're going to do exactly the same thing we did for the basic going sideways, but we're going to stay in place. We go starting with the left for the leaders. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. Okay, now for the followers, starting with the right, we go 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. Step number 3, we're going to do basic going forward and back. Starting with the left, we go forward, we take 1, 2, 3 steps and tap. We go back with the right, 1, 2, 3 steps and tap. All right, now for the follower, starting with the right, we're going to start going actually back. So we go 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. All right, guys, so this is step number 4, which is the Dominican basic. So now, starting with the left, we go step, 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 tap. This one is a little bit more complicated, so stay there with me. We're going to do a rock step. So if you know what a rock step is when we step one direction, we switch the weight. Yeah, so we have one moving leg, the other one stays in place. That is a rock step. So one more time, we go rock, step, then we step back and we do a tap. One more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna repeat exactly the same thing with the right leg. So we go rock, step, step, tap. All right, so I know you need it one more time because it's a little bit more complicated. Let's try it again. We go with the left foot, rock, step, step, tap, rock, step, step, tap. Now, ladies' turn. With the right leg, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Step number 5, or element number 5, is the box step. We're going to start with the left leg. We're going to go, literally, we're going to draw a box on the floor. So starting with the left leg, we go forward, then we go side. With the right, we go close your feet and tap. One more time, we go step, 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 tap. Now we're gonna go back to create the second half of the box, and we're gonna go back with the right. We go step, 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 tap. All the way throughout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, ladies, starting with the right, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Second half of the box, we go forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys, thank you. All right, guys, so now we got to the part of the partnership, and we're going to do partnership and count together just because I do not have a partner. Due to COVID-19, I am by myself. But it's okay because I promise you I will make a video especially focusing on the partnership once I am able to dance with someone. Okay, so let's get to that. For element number 1, I'm going to explain. Actually, this goes throughout the whole dancing in bachata, the double hand hold. If you notice, I'm actually kind of like offering my hands. I'm doing the leader's part right now, yeah? The most common mistake is to place your elbows close to your body. So make sure you create a little bit of triangle right here, and you're offering your hands to the follower. Follower, simply just place your hands on top of the leader, okay? So now, we're gonna be here. I'm going to do all the elements, number 1, 2, 3, all the way through 5, okay? In this position, which is called the 2-hand hold or open position. So we go here, and then we have this movement through the body, and then we communicate it with the arms to the follower, okay? So we're here, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 2, in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward and back, number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, Dominican style, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On this one, we're letting go of the hands. And again, I promise you, I will show it to you later. All right? Okay. So now we have the box step. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys, good luck. All right, you guys, we made it to the last level, which is actually doing it to the music. All right, so we know the count. We know the patterns, first of all, is 5 elements. We know how to do it. We know the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's put it to the music. All right, guys, so now I'm going to count you in. I'm going to say 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're going to start dancing with the left leg, which is for the leader side. Ready? And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna do the follower side, starting with the right. I'm turning around. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, pa, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's practice. Good luck, you guys. All right, guys, well, congratulations, we made it through. Now, if you like my video, please go ahead and press like, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss a thing. I'm gonna be posting videos every week, so make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. And also, if you have any comments or suggestions, please go ahead to put it on the comment box below so I can go ahead and help however I can. All right, thank you guys, see you next time.